The future of sustainable driving is here, and it's called the EcoZoom 2025. A car that redefines efficiency, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Today, on Car Reviews, we take a deep dive into this game-changing vehicle to see if it lives up to the hype. This isn't just another electric car. It's a statement. From the moment you look at the EcoZoom 2025, you can tell it was designed with precision. The slim LED headlights, the sculpted hood, and the seamless bodywork all contribute to its futuristic appeal. The EcoZoom 2025 is built for those who want performance without compromising on sustainability. It features a next-generation battery pack that promises an impressive 450 miles on a single charge. That's right, 450 miles. That's longer than most of its competitors in the EV space. And let's talk about charging. With its ultra-fast charging technology, you can go from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes. So while you grab a coffee, your car is almost ready to hit the road again. Performance isn't just about range. The EcoZoom 2025 is equipped with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, producing 500 horsepower. That means instant acceleration, going from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. That's sports car territory. Handling is another area where EcoZoom shines. Thanks to its advanced torque vectoring system and low center of gravity, it feels planted on the road, giving you confidence in every turn. Now, let's talk about the interior. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. Sustainable materials are used throughout: vegan leather seats, recycled wood trim, and a high-tech dashboard that blends seamlessly into the design. The centerpiece is this massive 15-inch OLED touchscreen, which controls almost everything in the car. It's fast, responsive, and comes with an AI-powered assistant that adapts to your driving habits. Voice controls are sharper than ever, making it easier to adjust climate settings, navigate, or even play your favorite music. But what really sets the EcoZoom apart is its self-driving capabilities. With Level 4 autonomous driving, it can handle city streets, highways, and even parking with minimal human input. It's one of the safest self-driving systems available today, using a network of sensors, cameras, and AI to keep you safe. Passenger comfort is another strong suit. The spacious rear seats provide ample legroom, and with the panoramic glass roof, the cabin feels open and airy. And for those long drives, the noise insulation is top-notch, making the ride exceptionally quiet. So, is the EcoZoom 2025 worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, high-performance electric car with incredible range, top-tier technology, and sustainable luxury, then absolutely. It's designed for the future, and the future is now. What do you think of the EcoZoom 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time on Car Reviews.